Merit has been murdered and buried 6 feet under for decades. So let's not fool ourselves. You know what happened in Tamil Nadu, for back in the 60s, 70s, 80s. It's been institutionalized. The fact of the matter is we stopped caring about it because we believe that no political party has the guts to take the right step for India. अब आप क्यों कट ऑफ के बाद अगर आप सीट्स बढ़ा दो उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है? प्रॉब्लम बताए क्या है? पॉलिटिशियन कहेंगे अरे आप यू आर स्पेंडिंग 200-300 करोड़ एक्स्ट्रा, तो करो ना, इतना पैसा है तो जीडीपी क्यों बढ़ा रहे हो यार? यहां पे कम से कम यू आर गोइंग टू इन वन फेल स्वूप यू गोना रिमूव ऑल acrimony between communities. This is a totally organic movement because it is not pro any party, it is pro India and in fact anti-BJP, anti-Congress, anti-every other party. That can only happen if it is organic because nobody will sponsor it, right? I don't think it's been sponsored by international powers that be. So it's totally organic. They managed to collect, I think, a couple of folds more people at Jantar Mantar within a short period of time than even the CJP did. So, of course it is organic. अपने मेरिट कॉम्प्रोमाइज करी, नंबर वन. तो पहला ये है कि टाइम बाउंड होना चाहिए, दूसरा है टारगेटेड होना चाहिए. इसमें भी आपको टारगेटेड क्यों चाहिए? बिकॉज यू डोंट वांट दिस लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ सीट्स that are there for emancipating the real downtrodden, the real who were discriminated against, to be distributed just for your appeasement. जो कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज ने करना शुरू कर दिया है, बीजेपी ने भी सपोर्ट करना शुरू कर दिया है. ऑलरेडी यू सीन अखिलेश यादव, आज मायावती जी, एवरीवन हैज स्टार्टेड कम. चंद्रशेखर आजाद से सोच के रख लो, हिम्मत मत करना रिजर्वेशंस को. सो दिस इज अ टिंडर बॉक्स. सो गवर्नमेंट विल नेवर ब्रिंग व्हाइट पेपर unless that white paper has sentences that are already 2 decades old, that are already in gazettes of or Rajpatra of India that everyone has agreed to.
At the end of the day, this is then no longer about emancipation. This is about
absolutely not winning elections.
This is about winning elections. The Reservation Hatao Andolan has taken the fight against caste-based quotas from Instagram to Jantar Mantar, and its central argument is very, very blunt. India cannot become a developed nation unless and until we stop compromising on merit. So is reservation now becoming a murder of merit argument, or is that argument itself ignoring the deep inequalities that make a level playing field impossible in India? Joining me is author and analyst Anand Ranganathan.
Hi Aditi, as always, such a pleasure.
Okay, wonderful to have you. I know this is your favorite topic, but I want to talk about, before we dive into reservation, I want to talk about the week that was. There were all these Cockroach Janata Party leaders. There was Ashutosh Ranka, there was Amarjit Tipke, there was Saurav Das, in various, some in Rajasthan, some in Maharashtra, some in Delhi, of course. Now they are going out to schools. Some places they've been beaten up and sent back, other places not so much. How do you see this entire CJP and the drama that has played out over the last 1 week on everyone's television screens, beaming straight from schools in Latur and in other areas in Rajasthan?
So thank you as always for having me, Aditi. It's a lovely question and it's a very straightforward answer. It's a brilliant strategy. Whichever way you look at it, you can be cynical and say it's a political strategy. Be that as it may, it's brilliant. And if you're not being cynical and if you believe for the betterment of India, for school children, our children, the parents, then it is obviously going to help them. So both ways, it's a win-win situation. Now, from here I fork and I talk about the reality. The reality is that CJP, they are a bunch of hypocrites. They were seeded by Kejriwal. It's very clear. They have nothing to hide. They have not formally accepted this as a fact, but everyone knows it. It's what they used to say, open secret. भाई आम आदमी पार्टी के हैं, आम आदमी पार्टी की इमेज पूरी तरह टार्निश्ड हो गई थी. केजरीवाल इज एज गुड और एज बैड एज एनी अदर पॉलिटिशियन. सो दे वांटेड टू स्टार्ट अ न्यू चैप्टर विच दे हैव थ्रू सीजेपी. नाउ ऑब्वियसली दे आर हिपोक्रेट्स, ये तो हमें पहले से ही पता था. ऑब्वियसली अगर उनको रेजिग्नेशन चाहिए थी हर एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर की जिसके अंडर education has been tarnished or papers have leaked, they would have asked for every education minister who had malafide or who had a problem under him. They asked for only Dharmendra Pradhan. That itself told you that for years you've had education ministers of states that are run by non-BJP governments who fared much worse than Pradhan did. But not a squeak out of these guys. तो वो अब डिस्कशन भी नहीं होना चाहिए. Because they are hypocrites, they are proud hypocrites. मैं तो hypocrite, I stay between the commies. I know they take it as a badge of honor. वो कहते हैं हाँ भाई हम हैं. क्या उखाड़ना उखाड़ लो, प्रॉब्लम तुम्हारी है कि तुम recognize नहीं कर रहे कि हम hypocrites हैं. तो वो प्रॉब्लम ही सॉल्व हो गई. 2 out of 2 they have won. Third is they are going inspecting schools in BJP ruled states. Now obviously they are not going to, for example, Jharkhand. मैंने ट्वीट किया था, वो इतनी बुरी हालत है, one of the worst states when it comes to caring about school children or their schools, hundreds of schools without toilets, all that data I gave out of 40 odd thousand schools that Jharkhand runs. They haven't gone to Jharkhand, they haven't visited even a single school, they haven't demanded the resignation of the Jharkhand education minister. Why? He's the chief minister, that's one point. झारखंड नहीं जा रहे. अगर आप अभी आप देखें पंजाब में इतनी प्रॉब्लम चल रही है, 5 महीने से द मनी फॉर मिड डे मील्स हैज नॉट बीन रिलीज्ड. टीचर्स आर पेइंग आउट ऑफ देयर पॉकेट in Ludhiana, in other places. And let me show you, there is another thing that they aren't even concentrating on. You see this, I think you'll have another, you zoom into this. There is a place called Fazilka in Punjab. This school was running without roof.
Oh my God.
This is back in Jan-Feb. And then this is Times of India report, by the way. Obviously under Aam Aadmi Party, the Harjot Singh, the sitting education minister, जिसके अंदर पेपर लीक्स भी हुए जो आम आदमी पार्टी ने never sacked him, उसने कहा 6 महीने के अंदर अंदर मैं बिल्डिंग बना दूंगा. अभी लेटेस्ट है कि कोई बिल्डिंग नहीं बनी है. 6 महीने बीत गए. From Jan, Feb to now we are in August. Yeah, in fact exactly this thing. They aren't going to Punjab. They aren't going to Karnataka. They aren't going to any state that is not ruled by the BJP. They are going. अब obviously hypocrites हैं. मैं पलट के पूछूंगा as somebody who's objective कि बीजेपी गई है यहाँ पे पता लगाने, कांग्रेस गई है फजिल्का में, आप क्यों जाएगा यार? वो तो hypocrites हैं. अगर if that building has not been made, if the roof is still not there, then shouldn't the BJP ministers have gone there? वो क्या कर रहे हैं यार? झारखंड में जो इतनी बुरी हालत है, बीजेपी मिनिस्टर जाने चाहिए थे. थर्ड थिंग, एंड दैट्स ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट, भले ही ये बीजेपी रन स्कूल्स में जा रहे हैं, राजस्थान में जा रहे हैं, यहाँ पे एंड रिजल्ट क्या हो रहा है? अगर इंप्रूवमेंट होगी, पहले तो इनको परमिशन लेके जाना चाहिए, लीगली जाना चाहिए. आई एम फॉर दैट. दे शुड नॉट बी स्टॉप्ड. व्हाई शुड एनीबडी बी स्टॉप्ड? बट यू टेक परमिशन. If the situation improves, it's great for my kids, isn't it?
Absolutely. And that therein lies the rub. You know, a lot of people on social media are calling them out for going to these BJP ruled states. Fair point. You're saying, okay, hypocrisy is there. Let's accept the hypocrisy.
Yes.
But anywhere where they are going,
बिल्कुल.
the fact of the matter is that at the end of the day, it is everyone knows the state of government schools across the country. It's nothing, it's not a secret.
Yes.
Then if they're going anywhere and if there's an improvement, so that's good.
It's great for the Aditi, it's for the teachers, it's great for the students, it's great for the parents.
Absolutely.
It's a win-win. Now पलट के ये अब कॉकरोचेस नहीं पूछने चाहिए, हम पूछ रहे हैं भाई, नॉन बीजेपी रूल स्टेट्स में बीजेपी क्यों नहीं जा रही? झारखंड में क्यों नहीं जा रहे आप? जो ये सारा प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा था, ये बीजेपी वाले लोग क्यों नहीं थे इसमें? You are lazy, you are sitting. Somebody who's a hypocrite, who's carrying that badge as an honor, is going to your states. He is working hard to expose the ills in your state. You aren't doing the same what he is doing.
And
तो उसको क्यों कोस रहे हो यार?
it's bringing accountability in some
100%.
sense, which is actually the task of the opposition, which has now been taken over by the CJP.
Absolutely.
So let's call a spade a spade. So let me
Yes.
just move on to your favorite topic. now,
अच्छा
which
ये
is-
बार-बार मत कहो
which
और
is-
जूते चप्पल पड़ेंगे मुझे
No,
फेवरेट.
no, but the fact of the matter is,
It's-
I know that you wanted to
It
do
is the
something
most
on-
important topic
you
in
want,
India. Yeah.
when I'm saying your favorite topic, there is a reason for that, because I know you wanted to do an episode
Yes.
on reservations
Absolutely.
much
Of
before
course.
the
Yes.
this protest
Yes.
and
Months before, yes,
months
that's right,
before.
yes.
Now it's suddenly become the reservation hatao andolan. Jantar Mantar was choco-block on Friday yet again. Who are the people organizing it? Who is behind this? You know, very quickly people came out and said that the Aam Aadmi Party is behind the CJP. There is some sets of people who are saying that this is a counter CJP movement or a protest movement, but it's been fermenting for quite some time, even before the CJP. So therefore, talk to us about who are these people who are sitting there, because obviously they've reached out to you.
Yes, पहले तो but look, 3 or 4 things, and thank you for discussing this issue. पहली बात तो no party will have the guts to either support or sponsor this thing, because it goes against every party. So BJP तो हो ही नहीं सकती इसमें, right? In fact, there are conspiracy theories floating around that they've tried to quell this entire movement by promising things. I don't know how true that is, whatever the case may be. Number 2, this is a totally organic movement, because it is not pro any party, it is pro India, and in fact anti BJP, anti Congress, anti every other party. That can only happen if it is organic, because nobody will sponsor it, right? I don't think it's been sponsored by international powers that be. So it's totally organic. They managed to collect, I think, a couple of folds more people at Jantar Mantar within a short period of time than even the CJP did. So of course it is organic. 3 or 4 things here. I think the optics is not quite right. That usually happens, which is again great. These are plus points when it is totally organic. When it is split, there is no leader. आपस में लड़ाई हो रही है, इधर गालीबाजी शुरू हो गई है, जो भी है, लोग उसको नेगेटिवली देख रहे हैं. मैं इसको बहुत पॉजिटिवली देख रहा हूं, क्योंकि एक नंबर 1 नॉन लेफ्ट की एक ही एडवांटेज होती है कि ऑल आइडियाज आर थ्रैश थ्रू. इट्स अ ट्रायल बाय फायर. इट्स नॉट लाइक द लेफ्ट दैट अनॉइंट्स एंड होइस्ट सम मीडियोकर गाय ऑन योर शोल्डर और आगे चलो भाई, जो उसने कहा वो ठीक ही कहा होगा. ऐसा नहीं है. तो ये अपने आइडियाज के लिए लड़ रहे हैं. नहीं भाई, ये पॉइंट है, ये पॉइंट है, ये पॉइंट है. कोई लीडर नहीं है. इन्होंने ये जो अब ये रिफॉर्म आपको होना चाहिए रिजर्वेशंस में, ऑफ कोर्स, लेकिन जो ये हटाओ आंदोलन है ना, दैट इज अननर्विंग एवरीवन, राइट, स्पेशली द पॉलिटिशियंस. तो इसमें इनको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. दैट्स माय रीडिंग. अगर आप हटाओ आंदोलन करोगे,
You should do reservation reform rather than reservation hatao.
अल्टीमेटली रिजर्वेशन हटना चाहिए, ये तो मैं भी मानता हूं, बट देयर इज नो टाइम फ्रेम, राइट? नाउ इफ यू से रिजर्वेशन हटाओ 100 साल में हटना चाहिए, एवरीवन वुड पॉसिबली एग्री टू इट, सम माइट नॉट, बिकॉज the fact of the matter is you go by what others have said. Now I've given, this 5-point formula. Many have given their own this thing. Many have been fighting for this. Literally, I've not been fighting for this, but amazing people like Anuradha, Dr. Neha, Ajit Bharti, so many others have been doing it. They've had their own views on this, whatever. My views have been there for almost 2 decades. They haven't changed because the facts haven't changed. And who wrote the facts? Dr. Ambedkar. जो मेरे फॉर्मूला 5 फॉर्मूलाज हैं, उसमें से 4 ऑलरेडी लोगों ने कहा है कि भाई या तो इंप्लीमेंट करो या होने चाहिए, और इंप्लीमेंट हो भी गए. लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. सो पॉइंट 1 2 3 4 5 वेरी क्विकली. नंबर 1, रिजर्वेशन शुड हैव अ टाइम फ्रेम. इसमें देयर इज नो डिसएग्रीमेंट. डॉक्टर अंबेडकर ने भी जो पॉलिटिकल रिजर्वेशंस का कहा था, 10 साल का रखा था. वो हर पार्लियामेंट ने है उसको हर बार बढ़ाते रहे. नाउ नोबडी हैज द गट्स टू have a time frame. Time frame होना चाहिए, because Dr. Ambedkar wanted it. If he wants it, of course, for one kind of reservation, then logic tells you why shouldn't it be applicable for other kind of reservation. अगर आपका emancipation हो गया, upliftment हो गया है, तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए ना फिर reservation. Point number 1. Number 2, there is no such thing as positive discrimination. Discrimination is discrimination. If you're having reservations, you are helping the people to be emancipated, that is good, but you are discriminating against the people who aren't getting reservation. तो एक तो ये woke में आ गया ना कि it's positive, नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. Jawaharlal Nehru himself was against reservation on caste basis. He said it promotes second or third rate people. To some extent that is true, because when you compromise on merit, that is factual. You do promote the second and third rate, as Jawaharlal Nehru said. अब उसको आप argue कैसे कर सकते हो? आपने मेरिट कॉम्प्रोमाइज करी, नंबर 1. तो पहला ये है कि टाइम बाउंड होना चाहिए. दूसरा है टारगेटेड होना चाहिए. इसमें भी आपको टारगेटेड क्यों चाहिए? बिकॉज you don't want this limited number of seats that are there for emancipating the real downtrodden, the real who were discriminated against, to be distributed just for your appeasement. जो कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज ने करना शुरू कर दिया है, बीजेपी ने भी सपोर्ट करना शुरू कर दिया है. अब 4% ब्लैंकेट रिजर्वेशन ओबीसी चंक से निकाल के आपने मुस्लिम्स को दे दिया था कांग्रेस ने, एचडी देवेगौड़ा ने. फॉर अंडर बीजेपी सरकार ऑल्सो दैट वाज देयर. वो तो बोमई ने आके उसको हटाया, फिर वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट गया, कांग्रेस ने फिर इम्प्लाई. सो if it is not targeted, it defeats the purpose. Third, it should be reservation that should be not just targeted and time bound, it should be given to, let's say, one family. वो तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है. तो पहली 2 चीजें अंबेडकर ने कही थी, लॉजिक था. तीसरी चीज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है कि भाई क्रीमी लेयर आइडेंटिफाई करो. अगर आपने एक बार रिजर्वेशन दे दी, कोई आईएएस ऑफिसर बन गया दलित जो है, तो वो इमेंसिपेट हो गया यार. और क्या करोगे? डिस्क्रिमिनेशन कैन नेवर बी रिमूव्ड बिकॉज इट इज स्टेमिंग फ्रॉम स्क्रिप्चर्स, फ्रॉम रिलीजन्स. अब आप क्या कहोगे कि इस्लामिक स्क्रिप्चर जैसे कहते हैं, so many other things, there is othering. All scriptures do it, but I'm just taking the example. There is othering. My religion is the best, my community is the best. That is discrimination, right? That is othering. You can't remove that. कितने भी emancipate हो जाओगे. आपको financial inclusion चाहिए, emancipation चाहिए कुछ हद तक. Now, why should, if you got that reservation, why should your daughter or son get it? Why should his daughter or son get it? तो वो तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा था क्रिमिनल, वो भी हो चुका. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज, सोल्यूशन हमारे वो क्या होता है, हिरन के अंदर कस्तूरी होती है, वो बेचारा ये सब जगह ढूंढता रहता है. अब ये जो मैंने बोला है, ये कोई फॉलो ही नहीं कर रहा. ये पॉलिटिशियंस ने फॉलो किया है कि भाई एक कट ऑफ डेट डिसाइड करो, and you give reservations by increasing the number of seats, and you give reservations on that so that merit is not affected. This is a win-win for everyone. People like Jawaharlal Nehru would be appeased by this. Everyone, there will be no discrimination, positive or negative. Everyone who deserves reservation जो कहते हैं, they would get reservations. जो जनरल कैटेगरी है उनकी मेरिट कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं होगी. और ये अमेजिंग बात है, पॉलिटिशियंस ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं. लेट मी गिव यू वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल. व्हेन दे वांटेड टू इंप्लीमेंट 33% रिजर्वेशन फॉर वुमेन इन पार्लियामेंट, व्हाट डिड दे डू? दे डिडंट गिव 33% chunk on the existing 543 seats. They increased the number of seats to 810. Then
so they already know this formula, so this can be.
अब मुझे तो ये मैंने रट लिया, ये मेरा फॉर्मूला है. R is equal to S is equal to R by 1 minus R into B, and total is B plus S. ये मैंने बोला है, लिख लिया मैं कोर्स. हाँ,
B plus S.
बेसिकली 33% जो उन्होंने लगाया वो 810 पे लगाया, और वो लगाने के बाद जो अनरिजर्व सीट्स आई, दे वर एग्जैक्टली व्हाट दे आर प्रेजेंट. तो जब when it comes to politicians, they don't want any compromise in the quote unquote merit seats, right? They don't want to suffer extra seat. तो जब वो कर रहे हैं तो हर फील्ड में करो यार. खर्चा आएगा ज्यादा, बट देन उससे सोशल स्ट्राइफ नहीं होगी. और देखो, आप जितना स्पेंड कर रहे हो, कॉस्ट बेनिफिट एनालिसिस करो. आपने अपनी सीट्स तो ऐसे ही डिसाइड कर ली. अगर आप मेडिकल सीट्स करोगे, यस इट विल बी एक्सपेंसिव, but then you're not taking the other 3 or 4 steps that I've asked you to take. So let it be this expense then. We'll bear it gladly. Taxpayers will bear it. वैसे ही कौन सा हम बहुत ज़्यादा we are austere and spending on the right things. There are hundreds of things by which you could save money and then employ. कम से कम यहाँ पे social strife नहीं होगा.
Absolutely.
और merit will not be compromised. -40 जो लाया है 800 में से, वो आगे जाके डॉक्टर नहीं बनेंगे. या तो एक और रूल लाओ कि मोदी जी और प्रेसिडेंट और जितने सारे लोग हैं, हेल्थ मिनिस्टर, दे विल बी ट्रीटेड बाय द गाइज हु गॉट -40 by -40 वाले.
Yes. And they'll have to put it up on their boards. Are you saying that? Okay. So Anand, this is the list of your wishes on reservation that you've been talking about for
which
a very
nobody
long time.
will ever
Let's talk about this group. what are their demands? Do they coincide? Because some of their demands are coinciding with
Yes.
your demand, especially with regard to the creamy layer,
Yes.
with regard to the quota within quota that they're
Yes.
saying should
So
be there.
I think they haven't really come out with a completely set signed white paper. But what they're demanding is, I think it should be for a limited period of time.
Yeah.
And it should have that creamy layer thing. They have also mixed it with the UGC. The government ने problem करी थी. In fact, the entire thing started with the UGC. UGC में it's kind of linked because it also goes against, basically it is the new guidelines are meeting injustice to the general category. शुरू तो वहीं से हुआ था ये Jan Feb में. उसके बाद फिर they have mixed the two things. So optics might not be ideal because they don't have all those millionaires or whatever you may call it, politicians like the CJP had. They knew their toolkit. यहाँ पे कोई toolkit नहीं है, पूरा organic है, लोग खड़े होके जिसका मन किया बोल लिया. So I think that's a plus thing because people realize this is genuine grouse that political parties should be worried.
So I was listening to Ajit Bharti and he was speaking at the ground,
Yes.
I think day before yesterday. And one of the, from what I understood, there's a loose set of demands that
Yeah.
and one of them is a white paper
Yes.
on reservations.
Government, yes.
What will that white paper on reservations serve?
पहली बात तो किसी गवर्नमेंट की हिम्मत नहीं होगी कि वाइट पेपर ले आए, अदर देन सेइंग थिंग्स दैट दे वुड पुट 30 सिविल सर्वेंट्स की यार एक सेंटेंस ऐसा लिख दो वाइट पेपर में कि किसी को भी प्रॉब्लम ना हो, बिकॉज ये दिस इज लाइक दे आर वॉकिंग ऑन सच थिन आइस. ऑलरेडी यू सीन अखिलेश यादव, आज मायावती जी, एवरीवन हैज स्टार्टेड कमिंग. चंद्रशेखर आजाद से सोच के रख लो, हिम्मत मत करना रिजर्वेशंस को. सो दिस इज अ टिंडर बॉक्स.
Yeah.
So government will never bring white paper unless that white paper has sentences that are already 2 decades old, that are already in gazettes of or Rajpatra of India that everyone has agreed to. और मुझे समझ में नहीं आता कि आप अगर गवर्नमेंट ये अगर हिम्मत है तो ये कर सकती है कि आप you give existing type of a number of reservations, but जो मैंने कहा है आप सीट्स बढ़ाइए और उस पर करिए. इनफैक्ट इफ यू रिमेंबर जब ओबीसी में रिजर्वेशंस आई थी तो बहुत लोगों ने कहा था कि ये फॉर्मूला फॉलो करना चाहिए, यू इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ सीट्स एंड देन यू गिव, बट इट वाज नेवर डन to the exact number of seats, and as a result now seats, obviously population has increased not commensurate with the number of seats that should have increased. So there is a fight for merit, seats that have merit without
But
quota.
there are more colleges, more universities cropping up every day. So overall, haven't the seats gone up?
Well, again,
Shouldn't they logically have gone up?
the point is what type of colleges have come up and what is the quality of those colleges. There was one Professor Yashpal, he went to Supreme Court. Why? Because in one point of time, I think year 2000, there were 33,000 universities in Chhattisgarh alone.
Alone, yeah.
किसी का शैक है, एक कमरा है, किसी का चौल है, किसी ने स्लम में उसको यूनिवर्सिटी करके डिक्लेयर कर दिया. तो अब इंडिया इटसेल्फ हैज ओनली 1100 यूनिवर्सिटीज, छत्तीसगढ़ में 33,000 थी. So when you say the number of colleges have increased, the point is, would you want to send your kid to that college? So that's the point. If excellent number of colleges there is an increase, and that is not true, because you look at the medical colleges that have come up, even AIIMS 17 आया, क्या जो 16 AIIMS हैं, क्या उनका स्टैंडर्ड दिल्ली वाले AIIMS जैसा है?
Absolutely.
मतलब सवाल ही नहीं है. कई तो पेपर पे बने हैं. There are a few that are coming up, but जब तक by the time they come up, the population would have increased.
Right. And come up and to become the state
That
of
standard.
To become a standard of
Yeah.
Delhi, it obviously will take time, effort, people, and experience, I
Bilkul,
guess.
bilkul.
So let's talk about the second big topic that they're talking about, the big demand that they had, which is quota within quota. How does that work? Do you think that could be a solution? Because then at least that cap of 50% at least stays, because there are some parties who even want to increase that cap of 50%.
Yes.
So
Not just that, I think quota within a quota to hona hi chahiye. You have a list of the most deprived and they should be the ones who would. पर यहाँ पे तो क्रीमी लेयर ही डिफाइन करने की हिम्मत नहीं है. भाई जस्टिस गवाई वॉज द वन हु वाज अ दलित हिमसेल्फ, ही सेड क्रीमी लेयर शुड बी देयर. सड़क पे आ गए थे लोग. हिम्मत कैसे हुई? दे वांटेड हिज रेजिग्नेशन. That person who wanted Gawai to resign is now a member of this government. I think Professor Mandal.
Yeah.
He was when Gawai इस्तीफा दो. हिम्मत कैसे हुई? क्रीमी लेयर की बात कर रहे हो तुम आज वो सरकार में. तो क्रीमी लेयर आप डिफाइन नहीं कर पा रहे, और आप ये डिफाइन करेंगे कि जिसको सबसे ज्यादा चाहिए आरक्षण नहीं. मैंने आपको बताया रोहिणी कमीशन जो आई थी ओबीसी का देखने के लिए, मोस्ट ऑफ द जॉब्स हैव गॉन टू ओनली क्वार्टर ऑफ द ओबीसीज दैट आर मेंशन्ड इन देयर. और उसमें से भी ह्यूज चंक ऑफ द पाइज हैव नाउ स्टार्टेड गोइंग टू दी नॉन. उसमें क्या है
they have pressure groups.
पूरा
because they
प्रेशर
have-
कुक ही नहीं, प्रेशर ग्रुप्स ही नहीं. प्रेशर कुकर कह रहा था.
But it's okay. But they are
Freudian
pressure
slip.
cookers only because at the end of the day,
Totally.
they are politically linked and therefore have become larger pressure groups, and therefore their communities get more benefits out
भाई
of
आप
this
मुझे
initiative.
बताओ, अजीम प्रेम जी हु इज अ मुस्लिम इज अ बिलियनियर, राइट? लीगली he was eligible for an OBC reservation in Karnataka. Does it make sense? This is ridiculous. अब उसमें क्या है कि जो प्रो ओबीसी कांग्रेस कह रहे है उसने ये, सो इट्स एक्चुअली एंटी ओबीसीज. तो यहां तो आप कोटा विदिन ए कोटा की डिमांड कर रहे हो, यहां तो आपको पता है कि जो पिछड़े हैं उनसे आप उठा के मुस्लिम्स को दे रहे हो. So they are going in the opposite direction because, as you correctly said, this is no longer a mechanism or means for emancipation. This is purely a vote driven thing to appease your vote bank and to win elections. And that is why किसी पार्टी की हिम्मत नहीं है. अब अच्छा, एक मैं बोल गया प्राइवेट सेक्टर में रिजर्वेशंस का. अब लोग कह रहे हैं बीजेपी वॉज अगेंस्ट इट. नहीं, सबसे पहले तो बीजेपी ने, जो मिस्टर कोविंद थे जो हमारे ऑनरेबल प्रेसिडेंट बने, जब वो बीजेपी में थे, इट वाज हिज डिमांड. और ऐसा नहीं कि उनकी डिमांड बाद में जो है बीजेपी भूल गई. जो सोशल जस्टिस मिनिस्टर थे बीजेपी की 3-4 साल पहले, उन्होंने ये डिमांड रखी है दोबारा से. हर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ये डिमांड रख रही है. मेरा है दैट वुड बी अ डिजास्टर बिकॉज यू नीड टू डू इट इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय गिविंग अ चॉइस. अब वो चॉइस देनी नहीं है और आप कह रहे हो कि प्राइवेट सेक्टर में जा रहे हो, और सब, इट वुड बी एन एब्सोल्यूट, मतलब दे आर एक्चुअली, सो टू कट अ लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट, they are literally moving in the opposite direction.
So what are these people doing at Jantar Mantar then? If nothing is going to come out of it, the movement is gathered some steam. Again, its first Instagram followers came, then protest came, then now Ajit Bharti is saying that we mulling our next steps, but the movement is far from over. What result will come out of it?
So you see, any successful movement in India, I might be wrong, but I'm just saying generally is successful if maybe either secretly or openly it is supported by a huge influential group. That could be a conglomerate of businesses, that could be political parties, that could be people who would fund it. It could be open. Let's say a billionaire comes along and says, yeah, I am for reforming reservations and I am supporting this movement. Then you would have a lovely structure to it. Then you would have leaders. Then you would have people like the CJP did, spokespersons. अभी वो कुछ नहीं है, totally organic है. यही इसका charm है, but this cannot last long. Because देखो cockroaches में भी क्या है ना कि there is a fight to the top, as in every political party. Why do you think when Arvind Kejriwal started 14 years ago, God knows how long ago, how many people has he sacked? How many people, sycophants, has he inducted? 20-30% तो आपके आज जो है वो एक्स बीजेपी एक्स कांग्रेस वाले, क्योंकि उनको पता है पॉलिटिकल पार्टी में क्या करना है. बाकी सारे लोग चले गए, इधर उधर हो गए. सो देर इज अ फाइट टू योगेंद्र यादव. व्हाई वाज ही सैक्ड? He wanted to usurp and take up Kejriwal's position. That is inevitably going to happen if you don't have a structure. तभी तो आपका जो गाइडिंग हैंड था ना, that has really helped CJP. उन्होंने कहा कि भाई देखो ऐसे चलेगी तुम्हारी कॉकरोचेस की पार्टी, और पार्टी मत बना लेना, और अगर पार्टी बनानी है बना लो, लेकिन हमारे अगेंस्ट इलेक्शन में खड़े मत करना, बिकॉज वोट तुम काटोगे हमारे.
So basically,
Yes.
no, but that's something that they will never admit.
Yeah.
Not even proven so far. So I'd just like to put that caveat there.
Yes, of course.
But having said that, if you're then saying that there is no hope for this movement, is that what you're saying?
Ah,
Is again, it's going to be a rise in noise, but no actual, because you're right. No political party
No
will
political
do it.
party,
The
yeah.
BJP has its entire vote bank, made its entire vote bank due to social engineering in
In fact, it's
OBCs.
shifted its entire vote bank. Yeah.
To, yeah, there. Uh, let's say if the general category revolts against the BJP, then the biggest beneficiaries will be who? SP, RJD, Congress,
Totally.
who
और वो
themselves are the biggest proponents
अरे
of reservation.
बिगेस्ट ही नहीं, वो जो बीजेपी जो 10 साल में करेगी रो के, ये एक दिन में कर देंगे. एंड दैट्स अ सीरियस डेंजर. मेनी पीपल, एंड आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, जो आप बीजेपी से डिमांड कर रहे हो वो, और आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है कि आप मोदी को वोट नहीं करेंगे, अगर मोदी चला गया तो जब ये लोग आएंगे ये वो एक घंटे में वो कर देंगे जो मोदी 10 साल में करता. इट्स अ रियल डेंजर. Then what will you do?
So then where will merit go? So is this, would you call this the murder of meritocracy in this country?
Well, merit has been murdered and buried 6 feet under for decades. So let's not fool ourselves. You know what happened in Tamil Nadu, for back in the 60s, 70s, 80s. It's been institutionalized. The fact of the matter is we stopped caring about it because we believe that no political party has the guts to take the right step for India. अब आप क्यों कट ऑफ के बाद अगर आप सीट्स बढ़ा दो, उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है? प्रॉब्लम बताए क्या है? पॉलिटिशियन कहेंगे अरे आप यू आर स्पेंडिंग 200-300 करोड़ एक्स्ट्रा. तो करो ना, इतना पैसा है तो जीडीपी क्यों बढ़ा रहे हो यार? यहां पे कम से कम यू आर गोइंग टू इन वन फेल स्वूप यू गोना रिमूव ऑल acrimony between communities. What can be better than India going into the future? I don't understand that.
And standing on two tall legs of meritocracy and merit, and people who actually, because all of us have grown up with this, our parents telling us, beta padho, अच्छे से पढ़ोगे तो अच्छी जगह एडमिशन मिलेगा, अच्छा पढ़ोगे अच्छा करोगे, because that is the angst of many of these people.
Yes.
Because they have also studied but not gotten anywhere due to whatever reasons in terms of reservations.
Yeah. No, I saw one very interesting, made one observation when the UGC protests were happening. They were mostly led by parents. They are worried about the future of their children. And that was UGC, and that was that they were worried their students would be discriminated. In many cases, sadly, even the parents, including us, we've internalized कि yes, discrimination against our children because they don't qualify for the quota is fine by us. So I completely support they're trying to do something and they should be supported by every conscientious Indian. गलत क्या कर रहे हैं ये? ठीक है, इनका स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है, इनके पास रूल्स लॉज नहीं है, इनकी पार्टी नहीं है, बट ये देश के लिए सोच रहे हैं. People like Ajit, Anuradha, Neha, they are not worried about them. They're very successful on their own entity. उनको नहीं चाहिए reservation, उनके बच्चों को भी नहीं चाहिए होगी. Then why are they doing this? They're not politicians. They're not vying for fighting an election. They are doing it because they believe this is a just cause. India cannot be developed if you do not address this issue.
So let me ask you this, Mr. Ranganathan. They've invited you also.
I've
to be
heard
part
that.
of the committee and to sort of become part of this movement and go and speak to the government on behalf of them. Would you want to do that?
So let me say this, that I can be a complete rank outsider and I don't mind whatever I've told you. I don't mind telling it to every second, third or fourth person. I've tweeted about this. It's on my pinned tweet, what my formulas are, what everything is. If they believe that having me and articulating my views, and also I may not agree with every views of theirs, but I articulate their views as well. If they believe that is helpful, yeah, why wouldn't a common citizen like to tell the government this is what should be done? So of course that's fine, but I'm not going to be part of any movement because that's not me. I'm a nota voter. वो तो मैं articles लिखे हैं उस पे. So I like it this way. That way I don't have any conflict of interest and I can basically be critical or praise people from a distance, and I think that's good and important for me.
So two advices coming here from Anand Raghunathan. If you're listening,
Nahi, nahi.
the reservation Hatao. One is, of course, remove the name reservation
Hatao
Hatao
nahi,
and call
हाँ.
it reservation reform.
Reform, yeah.
And second, Mr. Ranganathan is happy to go and talk to the government on your behalf. Well, if that's what you want. But thank you so much for watching this
Always a
broadcast.
pleasure.
Hope it makes the whole entire reservation debate and the merit debate makes more sense to you viewers after this entire conversation. Thank you so much,
Always
Mr.
a
Ranganathan,
pleasure.
for talking to us.
Thank you.
Thank you.